I have lots of watches, but these two are the ones that I use every day, just generally for general use. Now the one on the right is Casio here. The battery has gone, it's stopped. The one on the left, this other Casio, this one is over 30 years old by the way. It's running slow. So I've always taken this watch especially to the jewelers and never changed the batteries themselves. This one I bought about a year ago, never changed the battery, now it's gone. So I'm going to attempt to change the battery myself and see how we go. I've never done this before, but let's give it a try. This case, let's zoom out a little bit. This case I picked up from eBay. It's a watch maker's little case, little repair case. And here you have, let's get it out of the case. Here you have your watch back remover. And along with the different various pins, which allows you to remove the watch back for the different manufacturers of watches. It's also, I'm not sure what the correct terminology these are, but I'm saying this is the watch back remover knife. If it's wrong, comment below, let me know. Various sets of screwdrivers. I've also got a set of tweezers. A larger watch back remover knife. And also these, I think, what they call case vices, I think. If not, comment below, tell me the correct terminology of these. So let's see how we do this. Okay, I've determined that this is a screwdriver that I need to undo these screws. So let's zoom in. Do these 4 screws. Right, wish me luck. Here goes. Quite fiddly. Here's one. Two. Three. And 4. Right, let's try and get the back off. Oh, that came away easy. There we go. Voila. And there's a battery underneath. I'm not at all sure if I'm doing this correctly, but let's see. Right, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to have an attempt at taking these plastic parts off, and then I'll come back to you. Right, here we go. Pop that up. And let's try and take the battery out. Now watch readers will be looking at me and screaming, what the hell is he doing? But hey, as I just said, I've never changed one of these before, so it's only a £10 watch, so even if I break it, it's not so much of a problem. Voila. There's a battery. Let's have a look. Now here's my packets of batteries. Let's just have a look to see if I've got the right one. Hopefully I've got the right match. If I haven't, well, I'll have to go to the shop and get one, but let's just see. Now here's the old battery. And it's a Sony SR6226SW. And here's a new battery. And it's a AG4377, which is I suppose is the equivalent. And I've just got it out of that packet there. Cheap Panlon batteries. And let's see if it fits. I tell you what, watch jewelers, watchmakers, watch repair people. Take my hat off to you. I'm doing this all wrong, I know. But hey. Ah, man. If I push that into there. There we go. Voila. Down, let's have a look if it runs. Yay, look at that. One down. Put the back on. See where we go. I'll do that. There's a gasket. I'm assuming that goes in here first. I didn't even see where that came out. Put that in there. Put that like so. And then put the back on. That's it. So I'm assuming it goes this way around. Let's hopefully I've got that right round with the gasket. I'm not going to go swimming with this thing anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Now for the hard bit, putting the screws back in. One. Oh. That's lifting up a bit at the back. I don't like the look of that. Two. It seems to be all right. Three. And for the last one's usually always the most difficult in anything. Let's have a look. Let's see how this goes. Come on. 4. Yay. Done. Set the time. And I'll set the date. It's the 4th today. And it's say Tuesday. There, done. First one down. And now for this one. I suspect this one's going to be a little bit more complex. We'll see. Let's have a go at this one. Right, these are all the tools I've got to use to undo this. Here's my case removing tool. I've got my tweezers and also my little pins. Now I've got to find out which set of pins will actually fit into here and also then fit into the three of those lugs at the back there. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back when I find out. Okay, I've determined the pins and these are the pins that I'm using. And secondary reflection, one looks like it's bigger than the other one, but let's see. It seems to work all right. It seems to fit. Now, fiddly part is you just locate them here. Oh, before I forget, you adjust the width by turning this little screw here. And this will move these this way or that way. And then by turning this handle here, that will move that one backwards and forwards. Therefore, you can get yourself a good fit into the grooves, into the slots. It is very fiddly. Jewelers and experts would know instantly how to do this. And then turn, and then the back comes off. Right, then we just unscrew the back. Like so. Get our tweezers and we just take that bit there. There's a little gasket that came out as well at the back of this one. And then there's our battery. So I'm just going to pause the video, take the battery out, and then I'll get back to you. Right, here goes the battery. Taking the battery out, and as luck would have it, it's exactly the same one as the other Casio, the SR626SW. Let's see if we can get that into focus. No, let's have a look. There we go. That's it. And again, it's the AG347 equivalents, which is that one just there. So get one of these out and we put that one in. So I've taken the one out from here and then straight into the back of the watch. Oh, that was easy. That was much easier. Now this gasket came out with that bit of plastic. Now I'm not sure how it's deformed that much. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to put this one back. Let's try it. If it doesn't go back, I shall just leave it out and then have a go another day. But obviously this is waterproof seal, but as I'm not going to be doing any swimming anytime soon, no, that's not going to work, is it? I think I'm going to have to take this to the jewelers and get another gasket because that's really badly deformed. Oh, let's have a look. That might work. And then this. Nope, that's not going to have it. Okay, we'll leave that out for now. I'll just put this back in just for the purpose of the video. Press that back down and get the watch back case and screw it back on. Hold on, before we do that, let's just test if it's working. Yeah, wonderful. Okay, Split that back down. I shall take it to the shop and get my usual jewelers, and I'll just get another gasket. But for the purpose of the video, I'll just put the back on. Now, let's set the time. Aha, I've just worked out that this gasket here goes around the back of the actual watch case. But as I said, it's so deformed, it's not going to fit. So, like I said, I'm just going to put it on the back, put the back case back on, the watch case back on, take it to the jewelers, get a new gasket, and that'll be it. So I'll leave that out for now. Let's set the time. It's now 5 to 1, and it's, oops, let's go. It's Tuesday the 4th. There we go. Set the time again. 5 to 1. Voila. That's it. All done. Excellent. All in all, this saved me time and a trip to the jewellers. I paid £5.95 for this. It's excellent value for money, kids. Well pleased with it. I'll put a link up in the description. I got this on eBay, £5.95. I'll put a link in the description where you can get one of these. So if you like this video, smash the like button and please subscribe and hit the notification bell that anytime I upload another video, you'll be notified.